Welcome to our tutorial SketchUp. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a layout using SketchUp. So first, we need to make a square. The command is R or rectangle. And then 5 meters by 5 meters is 5 comma 5. You just double click it and control. At the end point, you get the end point and then attach it to the other end point of the square. Yan. So when you copy that, M and then control, then hold it on the end point going to the other end point. So we will erase the line. Yan. We will make a wall. So let's make it F or as an offset, and then 0.15 for the wall thickness. Then when you have the wall thickness, we need to divide it just for 3 segments. Okay, you just need to right click in your mouse, right click, and then select divide, and then you can see that there's 3 segments, 4 segments. We are now going to make it 3 segments, and then you make a line. And so you see the lines are 3 segments, and then the pencil or the line command, get the end point to the other end point, and then you get that end point. Yeah, it meets. So it's basically you are making like a drawing in a plan view. And 2 meters for the toilet going up for the enclosure of the wall. Then we can copy this line. Okay. There's 2 things that we can do. We can move this and then draw a line like that in order to make a point 10. Point 10 is the 4 inches thickness of the wall, and we use it for the interior of our interior walls inside the building. Interior wall. Then you can offset it. The easiest way is to offset it. You just need to click the line and then erase the unnecessary lines. So when we pull it up, it all goes together. And then we already have how many parts? 4 parts in our building, or 4 areas. The toilet and bath, bedroom, kitchen, dining, and living. Now we're going to do the door. So the distance or the width, the opening of the door is like 0.8 or 0.7. It can be 0.7. Then we open this, and then I will make a wall. So for me, it's okay to make the wall at this end. But it will not be, it's a good design for structural. Okay. It's up to you. You decide where do you want to put the wall for the door. And then you already have the door here. And later you can put the door on the bedroom. Right now, we're going to do the kitchen. The kitchen. Okay, so we have these 4 areas. Yeah, you can have this divided to make the tiles different from the other. So, okay, we will make a kitchen for our preliminary design. Okay, we will make door first. Okay, you can copy it, Control M, and then Control. Hold the control when you are making a distance. So the distance is 1 meter, same as the main door. So the main door is 1 meter. You can hold the control while you're typing the 1 meter. Yan. You can delete the interior lines for the door opening. Yan. And then this one, we will make a counter. 0.60. We can copy this, and then F and then you offset it to 0.60. And then you measure, yan, like that, for the space of the refrigerator. So, we can copy this, then that the line, you can hold the control by moving it and making a distance. But it's up to you what command do you want to use. For me, I use every command, so I am familiar with those commands that will help me with other difficult planning. This one, we're going to make 1 meter center or island nook. So this one is our island nook, and then we can put in the stool, lay out the stool. So letter C for circle, and then you measure 0.20 for the radius of the circle. And you can see the diameter is the whole length of the circle, but in the middle part, when you get the middle, it's radius, no? Then we already have the 4, and then I add more here. So because I have enough space to put the stool there. Okay. And now we're going to you make it group, and then we will, if you rotate it or rotate it like this using orbit, it will be like that. So you need to make it perspective. Yan. Kasi before we are in parallel view, so now we're going to do it in a perspective view for us to see it in a very nice view. Okay. And then we're going to use the command that we practiced before, the follow me. Yeah, the follow. It follows the path, remember? So, I just make a design like that for the indent. So, the bull nose of the counter is going out, and then it's indented. So, we need to do the follow me, and then just follow the lines. And delete the lines that like a guide, and then we can also make a kick plate. Okay, the kick plate where the toe touches the lower part of the kitchen cabinet. So we will use also the follow me, and then follow the lines below. Make sure it follows through, and when you see the red, it's accurate now. So you delete the guides. Okay, this will be your kitchen counter. Go to warehouse, and then let's look for refrigerator. Wrong spelling. Refrigerator. Then there you go. We get one refrigerator, simple one, and then it looks bigger than my what I assume. So we can move the counters easily lang ng ganyan. There you go. So, push and pull lang ang command. So, that is our lesson for today. I hope you have it and you add more furniture because that is your assignment. Thank you. See you next week. God bless.